Good morning, everybody. In 2012-13, our turnover was or sales was only 10 crore, which is now increased to 65 crore. Now, keeping the same pace, that is almost 5 times the growth in next 5 years, we are aiming at the same task. The task is easily achievable for 2-3 reasons. First important reason is that the projects are already under implementation, and we have got lot of opportunities because we are now getting qualified for the big assignments. Also, we have a joint venture with the foreign firms. Our ticket size has been increased and opportunities are there. Apart from highway sector, we are also planning to diversify ourselves in solid waste management, railways, and other infrastructures which are upcoming and challenging, like the ports and airports. Lot of opportunities are there in this Modi 2 government for the infrastructure field, and we are very much confident that we will fulfill the dreams of the government by giving the quality service. I always loved in working in a focused manner. Whatever task is given to us as a company, as a client, so that task should be completed in a focused manner. While completing that task, you must enjoy that journey also. It should not be a stressful thing. Being a service industry company, every success of Dhruva is naturally from the employees of Dhruva. Lot of other employees are there who have done their jobs exceedingly well. I can quote few of the examples. Savitri Bridge, we completed ahead of schedule. Then 4 of the projects of the EPC contracts we completed ahead of the schedule. And there are no major, you can say, mishaps or major mistakes done by Dhruva in the last 5 years. So all credit goes to them. Now we have the pan-India presence all over India, 15 states. So we have already started employment from the rural part of rest of the India, say for example Gujarat and Telangana. Highway sector is mainly related to the rural part of India. For urban infrastructure, there are separate organizations and separate set of rules. But highway sector mainly contributes to rural part. And challenges in the rural part can be understandable, and they can face the challenges if they are from the local part. That is the rural part. A rural student can have a edge over the urban student, basically in terms of understanding the language, understanding the demand of the farmers. Secondly, these students, what I found in last 15 years, they have the more integrity, more sincerity towards the job than others. Initially, we were working as a family, and even today also we are working as a Dhruva family. So in the employee mind, every where there is a feeling of ownership, or they feel that Dhruva is a family, and we, by way of doing the annual days and gatherings for 2-3 days, we again mix up each other and try to develop other you can say curricular activities within the employees. For employee commercial, of course, incentives and bonuses and increments are already there. But I would like to mention specifically here that we are public limited now, and last 6 months back only we have adopted a ESOP policy, which will allow us to allot few of the Dhruva shares to the employees at nominal rates. That will further give them a commercial benefit as well as the ownership feeling for the company.